IELTS speaking part 3. Do you think people rely too much on modern technology? Well, to be perfectly honest, modern technology has undoubtedly transformed our way of lifestyle and work. It has become part and parcel in our life. People are tend to use every day the, the modern technology like gadget, mobile phone, laptop, computer, iPad, smartphone, and internet and social media technology. This technology is accessible and comfortable to use, so it's obvious now is people have become overly dependent on technology. For instance, people rely on Google Maps. In a sense, is they are losing their sense of direction. People rely on mobile phone for their daily remindings, appointment, activities, tasks, homework, everything. On top of that, people tend to use social media technology for their interaction and communication. Moreover, youngsters excessively use of social media, video games, which is detrimental and is led to their mental health and reduced productivity.